Apatani Career Girls Forum. Since you are the founding member, please brief us on the history of the Apatani Career
Okay. Thank you so much for giving me these opportunities to say a few words in front of media. The Apatani Career Guidance Forums was formed in 1997, and of course I happen to be one of the small role I played to when this our first foundation took place. The idea behind of the objective of this forum was to make our young children and the youth to how the talent can be increased and enhanced through by the all the elders and of the community and those who are officer experience and who has achieved in respective field, and also those who have the talent and which can be enhanced. That is one of the objectives we had made this started among the group of small those we group of officers including me, and we started in the germinated this idea saying that why we should only depends on the so-called and the other many of the people talk about politicals and etc. So now idea was the objective is to how this we can skill can be enhanced, how these through the skills and we can survive and make a today it is a very interestingly Atmanirbhar, vocal for local, and we all sort of it is nothing but self-dependent economy can be achieved only through the self-employment. That was one of the objectives which you had initiated and formed this career guidance forum. It is a purely a non-political and it is a non-profit organization exclusively to enhance and to increase and accelerate the talent of our youth of Apatanis. Not only that, we had also made a branch in the respective district in the form of each district was selected some team so that they can immediately make a spread about the idea, and later on we also had the aim that we should also this kind of forum should be taken in other part of the India and the world at large. So that was in fact initiated, we had a vision. Now it is very glad to see after 25 years the career guidance forum is continue to sustain and without gap, and this is the kind of which the normally even the plant and if you making plantations until unless they are being sustained through the giving a continuous and nourishment, the plant will not sustain. But career guidance forum after 25 years it continue to be employees even better. After seeing this I am very glad and I am privileged to be part of this which small and foundation which I was and play a role along with the very and the elders and those seniors officers, some of them who are not here. So that was exclusively and which we had a self and voluntary organization and voluntarily we have initiated this idea. So this is I am hope that in later and you have seen today we should not categorize into this is a low profession, this is a high profession. There is no such reality. No matter how small the job, how small the profession is not a small at all. Rather what is more important is skill. Now today some award is given. I was so glad the plumber like this expert and some of them restaurant and the entrepreneurs. And this is the kind of thing we had vision. Now it is a beginning. I'm hope that this will take into the more innovative and in the near future by these young executives and who are now heading this career guidance forums. And we are as being a small advisor we are having made. We hope that we will also able to make them at least understand and also give them encourage and moral encouragement to take this career guidance forum in much higher level. Thank you so much with giving this opportunity to each one of you. Thank you.
ACGF today basically we have organized to recognize the founder members of ACGF. It's already 25 years they started on this particular day, 12 October 1997, and today is 12 October 2022. It's only 25 years they have given a service to their our, especially to the, in particular to the Apatani community and in general to the whole of the Arunachal Pradesh. They have thought about the idea of how to encourage the youths in the field of academic. In the early time when there was a problem of getting informations, they have collected all the forms from different colleges and they have helped them. And also they have been giving an academic excellence award every year to the toppers of class 12 and class 10. And right now we are carrying forward their legacy, whatever they have started there. And today also we are continuing that legacy. And also they have done a lot of milestone achievements, like they have adopted the village schools which are really in very defunct conditions. They have taken up motivating our unemployed youths for taking interest in SSC paramilitary recruitments when there was a lot of reservations for the Arunachal Pradesh. Around 5,000 posts was there, recruitment was there. They have encouraged and they have gone to villages, all the villages, and they have encouraged the youths to participate in those SSC exams. Likewise, even those who crack APCS, they conduct a mock interview. And right now, our team, as a General Secretary of Apatani Care Guided Forum, we are trying to encourage the habit of dignity of labor. This is what we are trying to emphasize on dignity of labor, because we find that today getting a job is not an easy task and we do not follow our traditional livelihood. Therefore, we have to encourage at any cost the dignity of labor. And now, today we have awarded the 7 talented youths who are earning their livelihood through their own talents. So we have recognized them and we have given a cash award of 10,000 rupees to each of them. And we also will be doing some digital promotions for them. And we would love if your media fraternity also helps them, because they need their talents to be highlighted and it goes to the mass so that they get a market and they can earn their livelihood from there.
So the Apatani Career Guidance Forum, since its inception, you said it has been working for the community, Apatani community. Apart from that, is there any other projects, other things which, as a general, as a Arunachali, the forum is working for?
Basically, the Apatani Care Guidance Forum, this is not only for the Apatanis. Whenever we do mock interview, recently also we have conducted a mock interview. It was for the SI Telecom. Yeah, the other communities, they have participated. Whenever there is other communities they participate, it is always welcome. But then our message goes to generally to the Apatani communities in their forum. But whenever anyone participates, it's open for all. There is no distinction of any community as such.
So you have mentioned a very noble. It's been 25 years since the inception of this forum, sir. So what would be a message to other communities in Arunachal Pradesh regarding forming of such communities, such forums?
We would like other communities also to emulate the same thing, whatever we are doing, because this way we can give back to society. We can this way we can encourage the youths, those who will be taking charge of in future. So we, as a SCGF, we would like to. Other communities are also doing. Surely they are also doing, but we would love them if they also propagate this dignity of labor in all the communities, and then we can in Arunachal Pradesh we can be self-sufficient and we can take the adopt the role model of Mizoram like states where they are doing on job, and that likewise we too have to encourage our youths.
Senyaka 2022-25 SCGF ka Vice Chairman Shawnima, General Secretary, and more like a team of executive members, Nagaji, advisor members, Soka Atulaka, Amiavanta, or Anwata, Barmata. 60 agenda carton is on behalf of advisors of current town, multiplicado, way forward, in word of way forward. Impujo, one of the advisor members, Akatari, Bigueo, very universal way of focus Look, Sotok look like Hangadori. So, 25 years. Silver Jubilee. 25 years of ACGF. 1997. 97 academic age of 33 years of educated in the Padukula. Sick of foundation, Mika Momuyo, Pujo, Lokajam, the Donipol, sorry, Orange Sonsri Hotel, Malal Komala, exactly what in the command. But then, Ude Oklam, Mobilat Mutajo, Akatasho, Motra, and Imola, Achan Pura, informal meeting, Kapeja from Donipol also for meeting Musu. Then again, I talk without a money which money will move. Sisi 97 Oka career guidance, whatever economic award will career guidance because 15 to 20 years age in Atami or Atami career guidance because. Say 20 years. Now age 25 years. Because career guidance advice because today he or she is 45 years, 45 to 50 years, or 40 to 50 years. More already father Pajiroko, mother Pajiroko, tangani grandfather Pajiroko. Because homoyo information dissemination part contemporary time panorama competition success review top 10 colleges of India now CC age of now 50 years 45 years pick homoyo kamar career council buko kunbo molok o atan
Mulanja Aliaya. So ano hembedo. So all of me want successfully say want end locally, especially उनका founder member को जो आकू आगे दौर साहब में जो कपल लगा आहा उन्हें को जो मुझे है पेदो उनका खुदा अवंग्यात करे मो सो धातु को रेंपल सो आना ने ओके तो मो आलम करने से एवोल्यूशन को ने तो तेरापा सो का उनका फाउंडिंग मेंबर का क्यों का स्पीड को मो लगा उन्होंने ये पश्चिमा तो awan dari kita ni, kita bangwat terola, awan dari kamu matu dulu kodo, sisi munu ni, tapalala, Teka idea में के हेरी ने kita bangun में मुझ के लोला लो kita bangun में setanah tu bangun kasih tanpa perlu kita ingkala mau kembali ke ni selalu himpa ya bangun tu juga dia successfully mau enjoy bola selalu orang mungkin kapal beli mo pujo mana so respective atau tu kan tenure of me mana jauh atau tu pemice achievement lumana lukon jauh ne उनका awan lampu also berapa ke next tenure of me उनका awan dan sulu Haka hawa kami so awan sis next unka pamintarang unka next immediate ane mo chilongo da alama pamarti do o ngun tenero sisi ngunu basically ngun tenero meni muka do ngun telu ko already ngunu carry code legacy ngunu nemu do mo luka saka bilo nemu tu ini ngunu continue mala ngunu same mo luka lenda pa bola ngunu mala do only one additional man sisi ngun ka try magane selo ngunu so jiska talent search ako ngono mari bula it was just an experiment nata to le ha ngunchi mato itu slow and successfully mane ngono injure so mate ko dodu ko and next year o simi mane rapa ngono apa news bilado koda there will be lot of participants and more interest la simi mala doe ngone next year surely mane ra ko si mari ko pamachi heka oporo ngono third ako rapa ngonka team sisi we are searching for the volunteer mentors amiama tamun ka especially bilo ka ACJ ko duna tami mo request mani munu grapa sa ka team si volunteer mentors mane sa ka unka ka menti atami pida so ya pa tami pori udana tami ya student atami neta pangun guide ni chila mula ja mudul mula make aku kam se kam maximum ya but tinijon me mane mases ka aku mun mentorship modo koda I think we may achieve some result we want to say that present unka tenure mono just three the agenda bukado un makala do o poi da mono say it is also we are trying mane say birokali just little bit deviation makala do I hope mono days to come deta mono to mono is makala do so try man do for last pango
ngun ka saka program saka alo sini ngun so jila ngun ka first executive meeting o is mi mang kami Dr. Dree mana marang meeting ki luci naga lupa ko pala selo alo me ngono ka executive meeting alo executive body meeting alo ngono me ngono patilio te ka alo ngono rises nya ngun silver jubilee to aro kota ki alo sulala te ka alo ngono sulala si me ngono nya so do masala and he ka melio he ka program melio ngun si loi program mo mato ngun 0 classes ka 12 तारीख को sorry 7 and 8 of Maribuku into 0 already counseling magte o 0 sources ka dan sa malala pong ni support mala is dan niya foundation of is ko sa mamay mila mada ko pa no para pa dan niya foundation maluchi ko poro tara pa siska dan sa joka award bina tami award bina 10,000 ke award bido ACJF हमेशा मनेगा स्पॉन्सरशिप ऑप्शन ने तुको कभी ना तामी मलांजा में का 10 का व्यू में स्पॉन्सर मोनो पाई इस 7 टाइम्स को कतले में आला का मोन वो वर्ड आता वो मने बिगिन हो का तामी मोनो से का सेलेक्ट मने में वो डिविली का ऊपर मोन डिजिटल प्रमोशन मोनो में वीकेंड हो नेक्स्ट हो रहा मोनो में इसका सो मोक इंटरव्यू मातो सो मोनो में तो का एसआई टेलीकॉम के भी हे को ते मोन में नानी आप जितना आपको स्पॉन्सर वाला मोनो में भी हम ते बारह पचोलो जी berapa mono में इसका so hundreds का students so ala mane ka alo 150 so parents or guardians la ata mala so तो चिता में alo मन api होला mane mon me so so का financially mon me sponsor mala उनका abandan gambo चिता mane so generously mon me help mala mako pa mo para pa chululi berapa sini ania mon saka successfully उनका so ko pa so का mon ka sini ania no mala ja so ka ala ka mon me so ai me na ko pala especially selo ka media ka anata o so ka uno aro attendant ludu is capital complex ka mon ka tani bar matang so dana tang selo ala mon me so voluntarily help modo te ka ta manam paira to luji ayo shek tak tonge group ala so help malada o so anata mon ka awaz ok so aya ka so asu o so beraj mon ka manja culture group so nem ka so ala manja so ka ala ka mon me Sebenarnya ni orang mana kehemil mana kasih tu ko pala, mau mana jam payah paculu ni, ko munu sebenarnya ni so at least seka silver jubilee biro ka ania orang ka mau kalau nak pakai ni munu sebenarnya ni seka pas lahang bila masuk lapa, munu dah jauh kelar, ije ahala mana jas biro ka nung kembang apa munu so yang pas satisfy lah, munu ni ada ni lala labi tu kita perlu ni, munu ada cara ni pun baik tu perlu ni, selalu along munu mungkin kerja program apa lomanya masuk ke और सीजा से उनका कैरियर गाइडेंस पूरा सुनने में उनके से तेरा पास ये वीडियो कंटिन्यूइंग मैंने सका years to come और कोई इधर मैंने सो तेरा पा उन्होंने में इधर हरा सका ग्रुप आता में उन्होंने सो हेल्प कोई लेके होते उन्होंने हमें मिला तका सब डॉला सो नदा ना पही में आता में उन गाइड लेकिन लोग हमेशा constantly उन्होंने इवॉल्व हो डॉला अन्य पा बोलो पर बोलो तो सब खा लो उनसे नहीं पड़ा आगे बढ़ी पर उन ट्राई में कासा Thank you very much.